Struggling to make your Telnyx phone number work flawlessly in the UK? Let's untangle that right now. First, log into your Telnyx Portal. This is where you'll manage all your settings. Make sure you have sufficient credit in your account. UK calls can have different rates. Navigate to the numbers section here. You'll see a list of all the numbers you've purchased, including your Telnyx number you intend to use in the UK. Click on the specific Telnyx number you want to configure for UK calling. This will open the settings panel for that number. Now, it's crucial to check your outbound voice profile. Ensure you have a profile created that allows calls to the United Kingdom. Within that profile, verify that international calls enabled is switched on. Without this, your calls to UK numbers won't go through. Next, consider enabling CNAM Lookup. This helps display your caller ID correctly in the UK, so people know who's calling. This function may incur extra charges. For receiving calls, check your inbound call settings. Make sure the number is linked to the correct connection. This is how Telnyx knows where to route incoming calls. Usually this is either a SIP connection or a direct connection to your system. Finally, save all your settings. Give it a minute or two to propagate, and then test your number by making and receiving calls to a UK phone number.